Okay, so we're going to put on the Lenny Lamb Toddler onbuhimo. So you want it, yeah, you want it so that you've got this side towards you with the warning labels, and the Lenny Lamb side will be on the outside. Now the easiest way to do it is to get them to stand up if they will. If they won't, it doesn't matter. So if you get them to put one leg, I'll do it sat down, one leg through that side. Good girl, you're going to go up on Mummy's back. Yeah. And then we're going to do one leg on this side. And then can you stand up, ready to jump on Mummy's back? Yeah. Oh, good girl.
Mummy's back.
Yeah, you're going to jump on Mummy's back. So then you'll have it like that. And then it's literally as simple as you get one arm in that side, one arm in that side, and woo, did you bang Mummy's head? And then they're up. You want to check that this material is roughly underneath it. You can get down in a minute. This is on sliders, so you can slide it down so that you can clip the chest strap in where it's comfortable for you. Now, if you need to tighten the leg bits, it's got double adjust, so you can do it this way, or you can do it the other way there. And you're going to give a little smile to the camera. Smile at Daddy. No, okay. And to get them down again, usually the easiest way, because obviously they can stand up, is you can either sit down on a surface like this, sit down, release it and get them out, or if you're somewhere where you can't sit down easily, you can hold them under the bum, unclip this chest bit. There's a variety of ways. You can kind of hip scoot them, or you can just slide them down, and then they can clamber out of the sling, and they're done.